Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Imagine living for over a century, witnessing 2 world wars, the invention of the internet, maybe even the rise and fall of countless fashion trends you swore would never come back. Well, one incredible woman did exactly that. Maria Branyas Morera, born in San Francisco in 1907, lived in Spain for most of her life, survived the 1918 flu pandemic, the Spanish Civil War, and even recovered from COVID-19 at the age of 113. She reached a mind-boggling 117 years old. But here's the kicker. Scientists just uncovered something truly bizarre about her. Forget what you think you know about aging, because according to her genes, her biological age was up to 17 years younger than her chronological one. She was practically Benjamin Button on the inside. We're diving deep into the fascinating science behind an exceptionally long life, and what it means for all of us still waiting for our super soldier serum. Get ready to have your mind blown, and maybe rethink that third slice of pizza. Maybe. So, who was this biological marvel? Maria Branyas Morera graciously asked researchers to study her before she passed away in 2024. Scientists at the Josep Carreras Leukemia Research Institute in Barcelona meticulously studied her blood, saliva, urine, and stool samples, and what they found turned some theories on their head. First up, her genome. They called it a young genome, meaning it seemed to resist the usual wear and tear of time. We're talking about 7 rare genetic variants linked to superior cell repair, neuroprotection, and a robust immune system. Maria won the genetic lottery. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Telomeres. You know, those little caps at the end of our chromosomes, often touted as the clocks of aging? Well, she had exceptionally short ones. Yes, you heard that right. Shorter than most people her age. It's like finding a 100-year-old tree with tiny roots but still standing tall. This finding really challenges the simplistic view of telomeres as the sole determinant of our biological clock. And let's not forget her immune system and gut microbiome. This woman's immune system was apparently robust, and her gut was thriving with a youthful population of bacteria, especially a beneficial genus called Bifidobacterium, which is usually only abundant in infants. It turns out that friendly ecosystem in your belly might be just as important as your genes for fending off the Grim Reaper. As for her lifestyle, Maria never smoked, never drank alcohol, and followed a Mediterranean diet. But her one standout habit? She reportedly ate 3 yogurts a day. For science. But before you start chugging probiotics and wishing for a genetic lottery win, it's crucial to remember, this was one person. An N=1 study, as scientists call it. Useful insights, absolutely. But what her story truly highlights is the unique confluence of superior genetics and fantastic lifestyle habits that protected her heart and brain from the usual age-related diseases. She proved that extreme old age and poor health are not intrinsically linked. So, what's the takeaway from this incredible supercentenarian, Maria Branyas Morera? While we might not all have a young genome or a bulletproof immune system straight out of a sci-fi movie, her story reminds us that the human body is capable of extraordinary things. It underscores the complex interplay between our genes, our simple daily habits, like yogurt and walking, and the sheer luck of winning the genetic lottery. The quest for healthy longevity continues, and breakthroughs like these keep us hopeful that one day we might all get a few more good years to enjoy life. Maybe even finally get around to organizing that attic. What do you think about these findings? Is it all about the genes, or can we hack our way to a longer life? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this dive into the science of superagers, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more fascinating content, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. And hey, who knows, maybe one day we'll all be celebrating our 117th birthday. Just try not to wear out your welcome. See you next time.